Hello guys, Henry here once again. Today, instead of Swamp, we are opening up my brand new spray and medicine type drug thing. We're totally not going to be selling illegal drugs and not killing people with toxic waste and stuff. So yeah, totally not doing that. Okay, that was good.
Oh, is there a shop over here?
Ow. Ow. Ow.
No, but what the heck are you doing?
Ow. Bro, what are you doing?
Wait, what do you mean? What are you doing?
You want to test out my new spray?
Spray? That sounds cool, bro. Let's go.
Alright. Up here.
Okay.
Okay, where's my first one?
Where do you grab that from?
Nowhere. Okay, this is a gel. Try not to scream.
Oh.
Okay, next one.
Bro, did you just rip off your balls?
Some eye drops.
My eyes, they burn.
They're made out of toxic waste, so good luck with that. Time for some ear fungus.
Ear fungus? Bro, what the heck?
Eat it.
No.
Shove it. Diarrhea. Go to the bathroom.
Where? On the floor?
I don't know, like in the corner or something.
Hey, don't watch. Ooh, that was a juicy one. Oh.
One more.
No.
Delicious, though.
No.
Delicious. This is
Are you gonna
weird.
grab your balls or your butt cheeks
No,
or your
this
ears?
gets rid of all the poison and stuff.
Alright.
You just have to
Good.
lick this.
Alright.
You look at that, now you're going to die. You want to try out our new medicine? They work very well. Huh? Look at me.
Minister for him.
Alright, come here. We got some new medicine. Alright,
Trust me, they're super good, bro.
which one do you want to try first? 1, 2, 3, or 4? One or 4.
Hey, it's me, Redman.
Alright, Alex. Alright. Alright, hang on, let me just keep some ear fungus. Try bite. Now you should have some constant diarrhea if you want to go poop in the corner.
I think so.
You want to have a little bit of dysentery, but
Alright, yo. I can block it so no one can see. Well, how's that diarrhea going, bro? Come back here. Give me your balls. Give me your balls.
Oh, he didn't pay. Get him.
Give me your balls.
He didn't pay. He didn't pay.
I took some of his balls.
Hey, yo, watch this.
I got some of his balls, bro.
Alright, let's go back.
There,
Anybody else want to try out some sprays or medicine or eye drops? They're supposed to help. What happened to this one? Yeah, I think you took some of our eye drops. Supposed to feel good.
Nah, bro, he legit did. Nah, that does not look like.
You want to try some medicine?
Is that supposed to be a beard, my guy?
Yummy beard. You guys want to try some medicine? Oh. Which one does it? Alright.
Can I have the medicine? Can I have your medicine?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Alright,
Choose 1 through 4. One of you wait outside, one of you come in here. Alright, you wait
Alright,
first.
you wait.
In here. Okay, number 1 or 4? 1? Ooh, he wants the good one. Alright, this is a spray. Try not to scream. Spray gel. Frog scream.
nah, bro, he said, I'll stop it, bro.
Alright, get in here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Let me think. 4.
Alright.
Actually, canine. Okay. Bad
That's not the
diarrhea. You want to go sit in the corner and poop? You can. Nobody's gonna watch you.
Nobody's gonna watch you.
Like I said,
Sure.
nobody's gonna watch you. Okay. Yo, next.
Let me smell it. Smells good.
Yo,
What the heck?
No. I had anybody else? Alright, stop here. Stop here, please.
Yeah, bro, he wants more.
He wants 2.
I'm with 7.
Which one should I give him? Oh yeah.
Here's some eye drops.
Look up. Look up.
Is someone gonna stab me?
You may have
Oh my god.
maybe some eyesight problems. Should be fun. Wait, where's the monkey with the clown stuff? He didn't pay. I just realized.
I mean, I did steal one of his balls, so he paid a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
hey, purple monkey. You're not gonna break up Miller Law, are you? Try me.
He got balls.
Stab you.
He got balls on a stick.
Oh no. Run.
He's
run,
dead.
Run.
Bro, you just killed someone, bro. What are you gonna do?
The eye drops came in. The eye drops are working, I think.
Bro. Oh my god, who's breathing? Stop. Whoever's breathing, don't breathe. Stop breathing.
Oh, breathing.
Stop breathing.
Bro,
No more living. No more breathing.
No.
What? He doesn't want medicine. Frog. You want some medicine? Deal, you want some medicine? Deal, where are you going?
He's smacking monkeys.
Medicine, don't you want some? It's only a fee of $29.99.
Get the money.
Bro, you want some medicine? Medicine. Medicine?
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, get in here.
I'll give you the monkey food if
Wait,
you
get in here, come on. Bro, you want some medicine? Alright.
Definitely did not just smack my headset.
1 for 4. Oh, stop breathing. One number, 1 for 4. Come on. Bro, this is the only one that hasn't been chosen yet.
One is such a good one.
No, 3 is a really good one.
It's really hard to decide, you know?
Or no, it's not.
I actually don't even know what you said.
Pick one for him.
3 or not? No, I'm
Pick a
thinking
medicine
of
for
3.
him.
Open up wide. Alright, you're most likely gonna die now. Good luck with that. So that is a fee of $29.99.
I must look
Fee of
cool.
$29.99.
I must look cool before I die.
Bro, that is a fee of $29.99. Come here. Alex, he's not paying. Get him. Kill him.
I mean, he has to look cool before he dies.
I stabbed him. Alex, I stabbed him. It's too
I
late.
have a
Good
gun.
dealing. I got a
That's
frog.
not a gun, that's fire flower from Mario. Christmas squirrels. Get ready.
It's like, oh, he's running.
Get him.
Come back here, come here.
What?
Here, let me get more weapons. I got more weapons.
Monkey tag. Little whip. No, that's out. Get over here.
Oh wait, I have an umbrella.
He's in the street fire. Just out. Alex, get him. It's up.
Boom.
Oh my god.
Whoa, where'd he go? Boom.
Get him. Sir, if you don't pay, we are video evidence if you don't pay. There's video evidence. You want to try some medicine again?
Wait, I think
Try more medicine.
I think the one's the only one that he didn't choose yet.
Yeah, 3's the only one you haven't chose yet. 3. Open up. Forward. Open up wide.
Hold on. Let me give him PP fungus disease. There we go.
Hey, $29.99. Now,
Hey, stop. Hey,
whip him. Go away. Killing what?
You're gonna get PP mold disease.
you can't touch me.
I'm touching you. I love
like
touching.
20 times. What?
I'm touching you. I love touching.
I'll get you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud to see you. I'm so proud. Woo!
Oh wait, bro, he's still dead.
I whipped him.
Bro, Henry, we gotta run it. You killed 2 people. Bro, we gotta go. Henry, go. Henry.
For a month, I pay a fee of $29.99.
Henry, we killed people. We have to run. Henry, quick. Henry.
Go.
Alex,
Alright,
oh my god. Both scary.
bro.
Both scary.
Bro.
I gotta go pawn some drip. Drippy monkey. No. Please, spare me. No, please.
Live peeing. Only $5.